a cup. Oh, I do that. Can I do it?
Hey.
You say that I can do it.
Nino, you scared Nino?
That's right here.
Aw. Hey, Nino.
Oh, he's scared. Can I start? Do I have to get his net? Do I have to get
You go ahead and get it. Start soaking him. Here's the soap.
Oh, Nino.
something? So I
Boy.
Put it in your hand first. Just squeeze it.
I know.
More. Okay. He's gonna need more than that, but you can start with that in different places.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Nice tippy. Can you open this up? He looks really scared right now.
Well, he doesn't like his bath. He does scare him. Don't check. You're a good boy. You're a good boy.
Okay, Woody.
Somebody,
Woody, are you getting jealous?
somebody can give Rudy a bath in the shower.
Nah. When I take a shower, I'll do it.
We're just gonna go in the shower.
Yeah, he goes. Somebody has to take a shower with him.
Yeah, I could do that. I always do that.
Rudy doesn't mind his bath. He's